Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to claim your Brave rewards if you're a content creator on YouTube, Twitch, Reddit, Twitter, whatever. So let's jump right in. Okay, so I've done several videos on using the Brave browser. Brave browser is a great new way to block ads and trackings by default. You can also earn Brave rewards by viewing ads right within the browser. But there's an even more profitable way to earn BAT if you are a content creator of any kind. What you need to do is create a Brave rewards account, and then you can claim any platforms that you possess. So if you've got a YouTube channel, a Twitch channel, a Twitter account, even a Reddit account, it will enable people to tip you on any of your accounts. So, and on YouTube, they basically just need to watch your channel using the Brave browser. So there's lots of ways to earn money. Just go ahead and put in your email and get your account set up. All right. You're also going to want to get an Uphold wallet set up if you don't already have one. So, and if you do already have one, when you claim your Brave channel, you'll have the opportunity to get it linked to your Uphold wallet. But if you don't have an Uphold wallet, go ahead and get yourself signed up so that you can link your Brave rewards to your Uphold wallet, because that is how you're going to get paid, right? The money will go directly into your Uphold wallet. And I've got some great videos. I'll link to them up there in the corner for getting an Uphold wallet set up and get you on the right track. So now I'm going to show you what happens when I log in. All right, so I'm just going to go over here to Brave Payments. I'm going to do a login. And this is my channel. All right, now they send you an email, right? Now this is after you've got your account set up. I'm going to go ahead and check that email. I've got two-factor set up. That's your choice. It's recommended to have two-factor on all of your accounts. Makes them much more safe and secure. Verify. All right, now I'm in my account. So you can see all of these readouts and reports to see how much Brave rewards you're earning every month in BAT. They're going to pay you in BAT tokens. Once you get this thing going, you can earn some real money. Like we're talking about a couple hundred a month or more if you're like a real popular person, right? So look at all of the accounts that you can claim. You can. I just did this morning, so I don't really have any Twitter tips on here yet. And I'm not a huge Twitter user anyway. I don't have a lot of Twitter followers, but there are a lot of people out there that do, right? So it behooves you to claim your Twitter account. People can tip you in BAT for things that they like. Really cool. Better than just a retweet, right? And then you can see here, here's my granddaddy, my YouTube channel. Those are the rewards that I earn when people watch my YouTube channel using the Brave browser. So pretty cool. Let me show you. And then here's the ad channel. So yours should be empty when you first get yourself set up. I'm going to hit add channel. And we'll go ahead and do GitHub, right? I can do my GitHub. All right. And I've got an account already on GitHub. So I'll go ahead and authorize Brave rewards into that. And if you're not signed in to the account, it'll probably need you to, sign in and everything. So there we go. I got GitHub. I've got Twitter. I've got Reddit. I've got YouTube. They have a lot of options now. And then notice here also that I've got my Uphold wallet connected. So every month they pay out directly into your Uphold wallet and you can earn some real money. So those of you out there that are content creators, that are influencers, all of that good stuff, whether it be YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, GitHub, Reddit, whatever, time to start claiming your BAT rewards. Now, if you have any questions about anything that I did, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.